Hi, welcome to Sprinkles Lane. Glad you could join us today. I'm going to be opening 2 Animal Jam surprises. So I have my scissors here, so let's get this open and then get the plastic off and we'll get started finding out which surprises we have. Alright, surprise number 1. Surprise number 2. Alright, here we go. We got one bag out. For some reason this cupcake just wants to give me a hard time today. I got it open. We'll get this bag out. Okay, let's see what's in here. There's our checklist, and here's our little card. And it's Dewberry. Many wild goats can be found along cliffs or in alpine climates. There's the code. Now this one had a star by it. We'll find out what that means in just a few minutes, a few seconds. But let's get its accessory put on. That doesn't really look right. But I love how sparkly it is. Look at its horns, look at all the glitter. So pretty. Maybe it goes like that? I don't know. Let me look at the card again. Just doesn't look right to me. Oh, it's supposed to be like a banana peel. Okay, so I have it like upside down. So let's try it one more time. Alright, there we go. We finally got it in the right way. Moving on to our next surprise. Let's get the little card out. And there it is, Honey Girl. Bracken Cave in Texas is home to over 15 million bats. Wow, that is a lot. And this one had a clover by it, so I think that means it's rare. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. And there's its little accessory. It's a little gift. How adorable. Look at that little bat. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. So let's take a look at the checklist. Alright, so we have a rare one and a gem one, which makes sense. Our gem one is Dewberry and it's super sparkly, so I can see why it would be a gem one. And there's Honey Girl, that's the rare one. Alright, so we'll do another little close-up of our surprises. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. And remember to sprinkle a little joy wherever you go.